Alright guys, I'm hiking nervous because it's gonna be my first trail, but we came up to Tahoe over for the weekend, about to head home, so I decided to stop by the Twin Peaks. First time ever trailing, so obviously I didn't air down because I don't have any onboard air on me or with me. There's nobody else with me, so it's just me and a stock, completely stock suspension, stock wheels, stock everything. So let's just see how it goes. So this is a pretty easy trail. On the scale it said moderate, probably because there's little shoot-offs that I could go on. But so far it's been easy. I wouldn't consider it far over because it's not a full through and through trail. It just ends, loops, and then comes back. But yes, like I said, so far it's been pretty easy. I'm on 4 high, no need to go on 4 low, at least just yet. Probably can't do that. Let's see. So, I'm pretty much gonna have to turn back around at this point. I bottomed out right over here. So that's where I bottomed out. My passenger front tire hit the bottom right there because it's a pretty big dip. There's no way I can get through here. It's hard to tell on the camera, to be honest. But right there, that's a pretty big dip where I bottomed out. There's no damage to the truck, at least that I could see. That's just dirt. I think it hit this. Obviously, I don't have any rock sliders. I just have steps. But yeah, nothing's leaking. Yeah, the only other way I guess I could go around it right here, if I take this route right here, but it's, yeah, the truck will fit, but I have a feeling it's gonna bottom out once I get over here. Maybe. It's pretty soft. Stock height, stock tires. I might just spin, not too sure. I will get sideways for sure right there, and after that it just kind of goes up. Never been on this trail, like I said, first timer. I'm gonna play it safe on this one and just turn back around. Kind of bummed because I really wanted to make it all the way up, but I'm not gonna risk anything. Plus, like I said, there's nobody else with me that can either pull me out just in case I do get stuck, or if I break anything. So I'm gonna just play it safe, guys. It sucks, but hey, if there's any viewers in the Bay Area and you guys come out to Tahoe, or you guys know any other like easy, moderate trails for beginners, put it in the comments. Let me know. Any pointers, any tips, let me know. I'll listen. But yeah, guys, like I said, time to turn back around because this isn't happening right now. It sucks. It sucks. Alright, so in itself, yes, that was a fail, but it was a learning curve, learning lesson for me. I knew I should have gotten out before I even tried going over those dips to see if I would clear it. Like I knew I should, but I didn't, just sent it, got stuck, front right side. I went in, dipped it. I think my step ended up catching, so ended up backing up. So in itself, it's a win in my book because I attempted it, never tried it, and I did it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get past the mile, but that's fine. Turned around and time to head home. 3 hours, huh? 3 hours ahead of us. Let's go. Remember, guys, live life. Oh, wait. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if you guys want to see me hit more trails, or if you guys know of other trails in Northern California or Bay areas, put them in the comments. Hit that subscribe button. More trails for sure once I lift it and do a lot more stuff to it. Even then, I'm still down to hit it in a stock truck. Comment, hit the like button, subscribe, live life.